Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a full detailed review of the 2026 Honda Ameze, a compact sedan that continues to evolve with the changing landscape of consumer preferences and regulatory demands. Especially in markets like India, the 2026 model marks the third generation of the Ameze, and Honda has taken clear steps to elevate its design, features, and technology offerings while maintaining the strengths that made this car a go-to choice for urban drivers. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Ameze gets a more mature, refined look. The front fascia now features a broad honeycomb grille that's flanked by dual-barrel LED headlamps with integrated LED daytime running lights. The bumper design is bolder than before, incorporating sharp creases and chrome detailing that give the sedan a more premium and upright posture. The hood carries subtle muscular lines that contribute to the overall sense of refinement. From the side, the silhouette is clean and simple but accentuated by a sharp shoulder line running from the headlights to the rear taillights. There's a noticeable upgrade in the wheel design, with new diamond-cut multi-spoke alloy wheels that not only enhance the visual stance but improve aerodynamics slightly. The mirrors are now mounted on the doors rather than the pillars, a small but deliberate change aimed at reducing blind spots. Towards the rear, the taillights receive an LED treatment and are connected by a thin chrome strip, echoing design elements seen in the larger Honda City. The overall stance is slightly wider and lower, which enhances stability and road presence. Moving to the interior, Honda has brought in a cabin design philosophy that combines simplicity with functionality. The dashboard now features a dual-tone layout, primarily black and beige, with brushed aluminum-style inserts to break the monotony. The center console houses a floating 8-inch or optional 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The interface is intuitive, and higher trims may get connected car tech with live tracking, geofencing, and remote lock-and-lock capabilities. The climate control panel has been borrowed from the Honda Elevate, which adds a premium feel to the otherwise budget-conscious interior. The steering wheel is leather-wrapped in the top trims and comes with audio, call, and cruise control buttons. Behind the wheel sits a semi-digital instrument cluster that combines analog dials with a color mid-display, providing fuel efficiency, range, and driver assist data. Space-wise, the new Ameze benefits from a slightly extended wheelbase, which translates into better legroom, especially for rear passengers. The headroom remains decent, and the seats now feature improved cushioning with enhanced side bolstering. The rear seat gets a center armrest with Q-folders and dedicated AC vents in higher trims. Boot space continues to be generous, rated at around 416 liters, more than enough for weekend travel luggage or daily grocery hauls. Under the hood, the 2026 Honda Ameze continues to use the proven 1.2-liter IVTEC petrol engine. It produces around 90 horsepower and 110 newton-meters of torque. This engine comes paired with a 5-speed manual transmission as standard or a CVT automatic as an option. The CVT variant also includes paddle shifters and top trims, giving a more engaging driving experience. Honda has focused on optimizing engine efficiency and emission compliance, meeting the latest BS 6 Phase 2 norms. But for now, there is no diesel engine or hybrid powertrain available. However, Honda has hinted at exploring hybrid options in the near future, depending on market demand and regulatory developments. On the road, the car performs adequately for its segment. It's not a performance-oriented vehicle, but the engine is smooth, refined, and predictable. City drivability is strong with light steering and good visibility. The CVT transmission delivers linear acceleration, although it can feel a bit lazy during sudden throttle inputs. Ride comfort is excellent for a compact sedan thanks to revised suspension tuning and better insulation. Road and engine noise are well controlled, making for a quieter cabin even at highway speeds. In terms of safety, Honda has made significant improvements. Dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a rear-view camera are standard across the range. The top-end ZX variant offers 6 airbags, electronic stability control, hill start assist, and Honda Sensing, a suite of advanced driver assistance systems including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and collision mitigation braking. These features make the new Ameze one of the safest cars in its segment, a key selling point for families and urban commuters alike. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Honda Ameze is competitively positioned. The base V trim starts around 7.99 lakh, while the fully loaded ZX variant with CVT tops out near 10.89 lakh ex-showroom. This places it well against competitors like the Maruti Suzuki Gyre and Hyundai Aura, offering better safety tech and comparable comfort and efficiency. Overall, the 2026 Honda Amaze represents a well-rounded evolution of a trusted nameplate. It blends reliability, comfort, and an upgraded feature set with Honda's traditional focus on build quality and after-sales service. While it may not thrill driving enthusiasts, it's an incredibly rational and practical choice for anyone looking for a dependable daily driver that now looks and feels more premium than ever before. If you're someone looking to enter the sedan segment or move up from a hatchback without breaking the bank, the 2026 Honda Amaze is a serious contender worth considering. Thanks for sticking around till the end. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. See you in the next one. While it may not thrill driving enthusiasts, it's an incredibly rational and practical choice for anyone looking for a dependable daily driver that now looks and feels more premium than ever before. If you're someone looking to enter the sedan segment or move up from a hatchback without breaking the bank, the 2026 Honda Amaze is a serious contender worth considering. Thanks for sticking around till the end. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. See you in the next one. While it may not thrill driving enthusiasts, it's an incredibly rational and practical choice for anyone looking for a dependable daily driver that now looks and feels more premium than ever before. If you're someone looking to enter the sedan segment or move up from a hatchback without breaking the bank, the 2026 Honda Amaze is a serious contender worth considering. Thanks for sticking around till the end. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. See you in the next one.